We have a 2010 Panamera Turbo. The car right now has Fabspeed's downpipes with 200 cell trimetallic HJS cats, and it's going back into a X pipe and Resonator delete. And the car right now has the stock rear mufflers on it with the valves connected. We're going to give you a couple sound bites outside. We're inside 2010 Panamera Turbo. We're going to give you a couple sound clips inside. This car has a 200 cell trimetallic HJS cats on it with our downpipes and the Fabspeed X pipe Resonator delete with the stock mufflers. Car is no drone whatsoever. This car sounds it's actually quieter than we thought it would be.